Hi everyone, here are my 7 non-EV related takeaways from the Everything Electric Show 2024 in London Excel. First, let's talk about solar energy. Octopus now does solar panels. They're meant to be neither cheap nor expensive. They don't do the flat roof, but it's worth asking for a quote. I'm now waiting for mine. Given the 0% VAT and the lower prices than at peak probably a year or two ago, it may be a good time to get your solar. The other takeaway is I'm still not clear why the regulation allows for plug-and-play solar kits to be available elsewhere in Europe, but not in the UK. Number 2. Heat pumps and Octopus still. I asked for a quote a while back. Check out the link, many of you have seen that video. The tax breaks are the highest right now, 7.5k, but I didn't get a sense that there was some kind of new breakthrough tech. The Octopus branded heat pumps is in fact quite big when you see it in real life. It's also the 6 kilowatt version, which probably for a house wouldn't be enough, right? So very similar to where we were before. Number 3, for anyone with Reple, if you remember, is the coop that gives you a form of renewable energy, and they're on their third project, Referral water, but we are gonna have to wait until winter to see it come online. That's a bit later than I thought it was. Maybe I should have read the emails better. Number 4, there is an EV association, it's called the EVA. They represent the voice of the EV drivers and they lobby with local MPs to try and accelerate the transition. You can become a member at the discounted rate of just 10 quid now, and you get that back in a number of benefits, starting with Electroverse credit, so clearly a no-brainer if you're interested in that kind of stuff. Number 5, on the 22nd of June, there is the 4th edition of the London Brighton EV Rally. I had no clue this existed. This seems like a very fun day out. We are in here, and no doubt it will be easier than its bike ride equivalent. Number 6, we've always been tempted with the Referral infrared radiators. It's nice to see a couple of them running on the show in real life. These things are not cheap, but maybe it's the year where we're finally gonna get a couple of those in the home. Number 7, there's loads of work to do still on getting vehicle to everything, you know. Vehicle to load is done. Vehicle to home and vehicle to grid, not much there to see. And the CCS base standard was being blamed on stage for the delay. We know that the cars like the Renault 5 will have vehicle to home. While it's always been my plan to think about this as the way to get a large battery storage in the home, it's the kind of thing that's always a couple of years away. So that's it for now. Were you there? What did you take away? Let me know in the comments below. For now, thank you and goodbye.